Okay, this is the phone. I need to replace the LCD. The first thing you have to do, you have to take out these two screws down here. Okay, after you take out the two screws, you just try to open it. Use the pen set. Okay. Okay. Open it like this. Okay. You need to take out all the screws from this side. Okay, after you open it like this, you have to take out all the screws there to remove this panel. Make sure you disconnect the battery first. There's another cover here, but this phone don't have it. You can take out these two screws from your own here and disconnect the battery first. Be careful when you remove the battery, don't spoil anything. You can use your nails if you have nails. Okay, after you disconnect the battery, and you open this side also. Okay, you remove this panel. Okay, disconnect the LCD. If you have nails, you can use the nails, your nails. It's more better, so you don't spoil anything. Okay. Now I need to remove the speaker and transfer from this side. The screws are not the same. You have to put them in different places. At least you don't mix up the screws. After you remove the screw, you just try to remove this, remove everything with this one, with the rubber like this. Okay. Then you just put it here. Put it very straight, exactly how you take it from the other one, and replace the screw you take out. Supposed to be 3 screws, but this one, like other one screw, is missing. You have to be very skillful to do this one. Replace all the screws. So many screws here. Make sure you replace all the 3 screws, but my only 1 screw is missing. Okay, after you fix the speaker, now you need to fix the LCD. Make sure you get the right position for the connector before you press in. Don't force to press it in so you don't spoil the connector on the board, so you don't give yourself more job. Okay, so you make sure you get the right position for the connector before you press it inside properly. Okay, and make sure the battery is disconnected. Okay, after you connect everything like this, then now you can connect the battery. That's also, you have to get the right position before you press in. Okay, then I replace all the screws. Put this panel back. You have to be very skillful to do this. Make sure you replace all the screws you take out. After you replace all the cover, you close it very nice. Then you just close the phone like this. You start from the top like here. Okay, make sure the top is rest properly. Okay, then you rest it down. Rest the middle like this. Okay. Then make sure you place all the 2 screws down here. Then you on the phone to test the LCD. Okay, the phone is on. You can see the Apple logo. Okay, everything is good. That means okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.